When you graduate from law school, you're faced with a decision, where you're going to work. And you start to do your job search, and you have to figure out, do you want to be an attorney who works in private practice? Do you want to be an attorney who goes and works for a government? I chose Tully Rinckey based on my experience and based on the practice areas that I wanted to work in, which is generally military and security clearance. And I do a lot of business law as well, especially related to veteran-owned businesses. But as far as the military and security clearance cases, we start with a consultation. Every client comes to the firm with expectations and with their understanding of what they perceive the issues to be. But then we'll also look for the issues that they might not have noticed or might not perceive to be there. I think what sets our firm apart from many other firms is that we don't have just a group of attorneys who went to law school, read a book, and then decided that they were going to practice in that practice area. We have attorneys who have fought in combat. We have attorneys who are service-disabled veterans. We have attorneys who have held security clearances. I myself have held a clearance for nearly 2 decades. I'm a service-disabled combat veteran. So we have attorneys in our practice areas who are not just representing individuals based on the knowledge that they gained from reading a book, but these are attorneys who have already fought that battle for themselves, and they've then carried that knowledge over into becoming an attorney and representing people. We don't just represent people because it's the practice area we chose. We represent people because we take it personal and we want to win those cases for those individuals. As the chair of the Veterans and Economic Transition Conference Alliance, which VetCon is a large gathering that we have here in Albany once a year where we bring together more than 100 state agencies and hundreds of service-disabled veteran-owned businesses. It's a large matchmaking session, essentially, so that we can get people in front of the agencies that then push the contracts out to service-disabled veteran-owned businesses. I work often to try to build that relationship with the state and put them in a position to help them obtain those contracts. But not every business is a service-disabled veteran-owned business, so the individuals who aren't, again, I still work with them and help them to get their entities set up and make sure that they're complying with employment regulations and taxes and insurance and things of that nature.